That's actually the point. I have a lot of friends who are investors across the country, and one thing they are afraid of is the demographic shift that they say Illinois is losing population. Is that Illinois? Is that Chicago? What is your take on all of that?
The numbers are always a little skewed. If you really look at the last 10 or 20-year window, the drop off of population is not that huge. You have a lot of people that move out, but you also have a lot of people that move in. But then also some of those statistics you hear are people moving out of the city and moving to the suburbs. And they do the same thing with companies and careers. Like, oh, Chicago lost 3 Fortune 500 companies, but it's like 2 of them moved to the suburbs. And actually have a bigger plot of land. They actually employ more people out there, and they're consolidating 4 Midwest areas. So a lot of times those numbers are very deceptive in how they're trying to steer reader sentiment, I guess.
Then, as a whole, for people that are listening nationally to this episode, what would you say is the pros and cons of the Chicago real estate market for an investor?
So cons. One of the big cons that you always hear people talk about is the taxes are high. I think we're second to New Jersey as far as highest property taxes. But the pro of that is you're paying a heck of a lot less price. And that is usually the offset. So yes, you go to other markets that have $1,000 a year tax bill, but right now you're paying far more per square foot or more per unit on the multi-family side. The other cons are it is a more tenant-friendly government and politics and eviction and different ordinances and rules.